Hey guys, Seleno here from PlayToEarn.net. In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 more free-to-play-to-earn games that you can play right now. Yes, the games on this list have no barrier of entry, and still give players a chance to earn some form of reward just by playing. So without further ado, here are 5 more play-to-earn games you can play for free. To start off our list, we have Galaxy Fight Club. Galaxy Fight Club is a cross-IP, play-to-earn PvP MOBA game described by the devs as the Super Smash Bros. Of the NFT universe. The game has a vast array of partnerships with different NFT collections and blockchain games, whose NFT owners will be able to use the avatar they own in the Galaxy Fight Club game. They also have their own collection of NFTs called the Galaxy Fighters. There are 4 game modes: 3v3, 1v1, Battle Royale, and Tournaments. 3v3 is the main game mode where every win earns you keys, either silver, gold, or partner keys. The type of key you can get depends if you are playing for free, using a Galaxy Fighter NFT, or using a partnered collections NFT. 1v1 mode is a fight between 2 players, and the first to get 10 kills wins the match. There are no rewards for this mode. Battle Royale is a free-for-all between 10 players in a shrinking arena where the last one standing wins. These first 3 modes are free to play. Tournament mode is only available for NFT owners, where teams of 3 can earn more than 2 ETH per week. Other than Galaxy Fighter NFTs, the game also has weapon NFTs that increase the strength of your fighter in-game. The play-to-earn aspect of the game revolves around the keys you win during fights and the game's token G-Coin. The game is free to play, and free-to-play users will be given a default base character. The game is live now, and it also recently released its play-to-earn features if you want to try it out. The next game on our list is Untitled Platformer. Untitled Platformer is a retro, real-time multiplayer platformer game built on the Binance Smart Chain. In Untitled Platformer, players use a variety of different characters to dynamically explore 32 different bit worlds with other players. All smart contracts of the game are implemented using Web3 Unity SDK powered by ChainSafe. The multiplayer and networking logic is being powered by the Photon engine that enables the game to be scalable, reliable, and always connect. The core rewarding mechanic of the game is movement. If players move and actively play the game, they get rewarded Untitled tokens. If they stop moving, they gradually start losing tokens. Other factors that can affect token earnings are if other players sabotage you, if you sabotage other players, and if you encounter traps. There are also bonus items scattered around the game world in the form of potions. Potions can have a variety of effects, some to help the player and some to sabotage other players. There's a speed boost potion, a jump boost potion, a potion to make your enemies slower, and even a potion to invert enemies' controls. The game is free to play for anyone to get started. Anyone can try it out on their browser without having to pay for anything. The game has several servers in Europe, Oceania, and Asia, so you can connect to which is best for you. You can connect using MetaMask or Taurus wallets. While the game is free to play, those who play with their character NFTs get a boost in earning Untitled tokens. This isn't a requirement to play, but rather if players want to maximize earnings. You can check their website if you want to try the game out. If you're enjoying this list so far, you can check out our website at PlayToEarn.net. We have different categories you can search from so you can actually find what you're looking for. Now let's get back to the video. The next game on our list is plusminus. Plusminus is a free-to-play arcade game built on the Binance Smart Chain. In plusminus, players can compete with others in simple online competitive games and have a chance to be rewarded in-game. The game is fairly simple and is mostly designed for mobile. The way the game is played is players spin a wheel thrice. The first spin produces a random number from 0 to 10. The second spin produces a sign, either plus or minus. And the third spin is for another number between 0 to 10. The end result is what players get. For example, if a player gets 5 on the first spin, gets a plus sign, and a 4 on the second spin, the result is 9. The game has both PvE and PvP modes. In PvE, players go against the AI, and each time they join a match, they earn coin based on the result value. In PvP, players compete against another player and have to bet a certain number of coins before starting. The player who wins earns coins based on the bet made before starting. There is also a tournament mode, which is a more robust version of the PvP, with up to 8 players joining the tournament and 3 betting levels of coins to choose. The token to be earned in the game is called Dozen, and it is a BEP20 token. It can be earned by playing the game. The game is available on Android and iOS, so if you want to check it out, you can download the game itself. For more details, you can check their website. The next game on our list is Every Farm. Every Farm is a free-to-play farming simulation game built on the WeMix platform. In Every Farm, players can grow crops on their farms, produce goods with the crops they grow, and even run a restaurant with the ingredients they harvest, all with a chance of earning rewards. Every Farm is under the farming simulation genre of games, so if you've played other similar games like Farmville, Heyday, or Harvest Moon, the gameplay of this might already be familiar to you. Every Farm is a multiplayer farm builder game where anyone can farm and own a village, grow crops, cook, open restaurants, and socialize with other players from around the world. The game starts out with a player inheriting their grandfather's old farm. They can design the farm with countless objects and decorations they want. There's also a storyline where players get to meet different villagers, such as Lena, Tom, Irvin, and Chelsea. Players manage crops on their farm and can produce ingredients needed in mills, factories, and shops. They can also raise animals to get different animal produce needed in recipes. Players can then deliver their produce to other mills or restaurants, or they can create dishes in their own restaurant to sell meals to customers for gold. Gold is the main in-game currency which can be earned by playing the game, such as cooking and selling in restaurants and doing quests. Gold can be reinvested in the game. Heart is another token which can be earned in restaurants after reaching level 30. Heart can then be used to mint Flaro, the third token, which can be exchanged for Remix credit. If you want to try out the game, you can check their website. And the last game on our list is Boxy Tactics. Boxy Tactics is a retro-style tactical RPG built on the Ethereum blockchain. In Boxy Tactics, players can use their Boxies to fight with monsters and other players in a turn-based game for a chance to earn crypto rewards and more NFTs. Boxy Tactics is supported by the NFT project called Boxies. Players with Boxy NFTs can import them to use in-game and will have certain benefits. Some of the perks are a higher rate of in-game rewards, access to weapons and items already on the NFT, having a companion pet by default, access to certain classes and races in-game, and the ability to mint new generation NFTs. Boxies have different characteristics like rarities, class, race, and companions or pets. For in-game attributes, all Boxies have a class or a job. A few examples are Knight, Black Mage, Ninja, and Hawk Knight. They also have stats that affect their combat ability. These are Strength, Intelligence, Dexterity, Luck, Armor, and Movement. Some classes will rely more on a certain stat, which determines their game style. For example, Warriors and Knights lean more towards the Strength stat, while Rangers and Samurais rely more on Dexterity. Boxies also have 8 equipment slots for equipping different weapons and armor. The game offers 2 modes. Exploration is the PvE aspect of the game where players traverse multiple locations with a quest line. They fight monsters and when successful are rewarded with tokens and NFT items. And PvP is where players can fight other players. There is Arena and Extreme Arena. In Arena, players utilize a set of random free Boxies to make a team and fight in a tournament-style ladder. This levels the playing field. On the other hand, in Extreme Arena, players can use any Boxies and items they have, making it no holds barred. The game is a turn-based tactics game, so if you played games like Final Fantasy Tactics or other similar games, this should be familiar to you. The game is free to play, with players starting off with a randomized basic non-NFT Boxy, so if you want to try it out, you can check their website. And that's a wrap for today's list of games. If you're interested in learning about more free-to-play blockchain games, I hope this list helped you out. Which game on this list would you play? Let me know in the comments. And for more info on everything about blockchain games, check out our website at PlayToEarn.net, where we have the largest database of games that have all the info you need. That's it for today, see you next video.